Hello, my name is June Getzinger. I'm the Sales Builder Pro app trainer here at Intelligent Mobile Support. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to build an LG single zone system using the Sales Builder Pro Quick Proposal feature. From the homepage navigation menu, select Quick Proposal. Enter the customer name. This is a required field. The customer number and job number are optional fields. Tap Continue to open up the quote. The quote will open up to the Customer tab. Enter the customer information that you want to appear on the customer's quote and on the site surveys. Notice across the bottom of an iPad, you have tabs. We're going to move from left to right through these tabs as we build the quote. We'll move to the Company tab. This is part of your sales presentation. We'll move to option 1. Notice at the top of the view you have 3 tabs, a System tab, a Component tab where your unitary equipment would be loaded, and the Ductless tab. You will need to enter the design criteria for this quote. Your design criteria is specific to your region of the country. We're always going to select the outdoor unit first. I'm going to tap on the word type and select a heat pump and manufacturer and a model. The models that appear here are always going to be in alphabetical order. I'm going to spin down to the LSU 12, which is the Arc Cool Mirror or high efficiency wall mounts. Your efficiency ratings will autofill for you. Your parts and compressor for registered equipment will also autofill. If I tap on the picture of the brochure, I can share the brochure with the customer in their home. I'll tap Done to close it up. Next, I need to lay out the system. I'll tap on the Layout button. I can type in a location or select one from the spinner. Put in the distance to the outdoor unit, your height. We recommend using 0 for the number of bends. You should be using your equivalent pipe length when you build this quote. Tap Save to close it up. Next, I'm going to tap on the number 1 box here to select my indoor head. I have 2 options, the cool mirror or the high efficiency. I'll select the high efficiency. Tap on the model number. Notice that the model number displays below the picture of the wall mount. Tap Save to close it. If I tap on Review, I can see the adjustments that were made to the system. Tap on Done to close it. I'll adjust the overall job costs, the materials and labor that are used to install the system using the Install button. I can add additional job costs, tapping on the add sign. I can adjust the labor associated with the unit, tapping on the word standard labor. And I can add additional compatible accessories for this outdoor unit. The line set is pre-selected for you. We call that a smart material. It is the correct size, and your length is dependent on your piping layout. I'll select Save to close the view. Option 2 can be built out with a unitary system. Option 3 could be built out with a multi-zone system or a different single zone. Down payments can be entered on the tab, and finance programs can also be selected. The Summary tab will only display items that have been selected on the option 1, 2, or 3 tab. Enhancements is where you'll come to add additional accessories to a system. Let's add a thermostat to our unitary system, and you can also add items on the fly at the kitchen table. Be sure to add the price for the item. Add-ons is where you will add additional services, and materials can be selected on the Materials tab. Move to the Signature tab. You can add notes. We can select an option. Final notes are pre-populated notes that you can add as needed. We'll take a look at the quote, tap on the view sign. Option 1 is highlighted because I selected it on the Signature tab. Tap done to close it. A very important step before I email this quote to the customer is I sign the quote in the company approval spot. A signature here locks these values down. I can always reopen this quote at a later date. The app will automatically create a revision of this quote and store the original in the job history. I'll email it to the customer. Tap done. The final step in the process is to return to your navigation menu, go to View Schedule, select your customer name, and tap on Completed. Select a code and tap on Submit. The job is completed when I tap on Submit. You can only have one job open at a time in the app. You can always go back to change it. You can just only have one open at a time. I hope you found this video helpful. In the next video, I'll demonstrate how to search for a quote you wrote at a previous date and how to build a multi-zone system. Additional training information is available on the Sales Builder Pro Help Desk. A quick shortcut to the Help Desk can be found in the navigation menu. Tap on the navigation and scroll to the More section and select Help. To learn more about iMobile support, please visit our website at www.imobilesupport.com.